Raja Santosh Bambu, 11 starters, but 10 listed out here exactly at 5:45 in the morning. These athletes will now set out, as I said, for 20,000 kilometers or 20 kilometers, that's what they talk about, 20,000 meters to be precise. The national record, Priyanka Goswami at Ranchi, 1 minute 28.45. On the 13th of February 2021, the meet record, Shejal Anil Singh, Chandigarh 137.53.71 in 2023. And we were there in Chandigarh when we had the walking event last year, the scenic Sukna Lake, the Shivalik Hills, and we had some fascinating walk out there. To start off with here, 50 laps. Remember, 20,000 meters is 50 laps. So just imagine for an hour and 37 to 1 hour 40 minutes is what these young girls under 23 will take. It is taxing, but they've been practicing for weeks together. This is the first of the laps, which means it will be 49 from here on. The first of them, Reshma Patel from Uttar Pradesh, and she's rubbing shoulders to start off with there with Pramila Sajanwar from Madhya Pradesh. I'll give you the lineup once again. And the men will soon be getting ready. There are 23 listed in the men's section, where Akshadeep Singh of Chandigarh holds the national record, and Sanjay Kumar from Bilaspur holds the meet record. So 49 laps to go here. That's what is the indication from the lap scorers. We'll talk about walking. We've got plenty of time. Mansi now. She's the experienced girl. Mansi Negi from Himachal Pradesh. Slipping into the lead to start off with. There are the others as well. Walking is a fabulous exercise for any age group. In fact, all over the world today, walking has become a boom. Early morning, where people take up to walking. This is a wonderful complex out here where you see some fascinating events over the last 2 days. Today is the second day. We talk of walking, you also talk of waffle sole shoes. The waffle sole, either the walking or the running shoe, with its dozens of small rubber studs, owes its name to the inventor Bill Bauman, the distinguished University of Oregon track coach from 1948 to 1973. Mansi is still in the lead. We're now coming into the home straight. From here on, for all of them, all 11 who started, it will be 48 laps to go. 888. That's Mansi Negi. Close on the heels is Nikita Lamba from Rajasthan. So 48 for all. The number 11 now lagging behind. This is where the chalk will be separated from the cheese. Anjali Kumar trailing virtually now, there by about 20 meters, and then behind her you have another girl trailing by another 50 odd meters. Mansi Negi still in the lead. And we are talking of the waffle soul. We got 47. So 47 laps to go. We're into the first 5 minutes of this, the two events. For the men, we are into the first lap. The women have already covered 3. They had a start at 5:45. The men started 5 minutes later at 5:50 a.m. In fact, for these athletes following a strenuous training session, which I'm sure they had, some of them, we got the first of them on the far side making use of the water table. There's one to our left. The pack continues to remain the same. Walking, of course, a great way to improve or maintain one's overall health. Just 30 minutes every day can increase the cardiovascular fitness, strengthen the bones, reduces the excess body fat, and boost muscle power and the endurance. 46 to go from here on for the women. Negi, the leader of the women's pack. We got 6 of them now in the fray. 11 started, 6 of them are in the leading pack. There's one just about 10 meters behind, and then the others are way behind. Women go on. So it's going to be a long duel for both the men and the women. Negi, the leader. Reshma Patel in number 2. Slipping in now after taking that sip of water is Pramila Sajanwar of Madhya Pradesh. We're still down to 6 in the leading pack. The pressure will continue to mount on these young girls. Here she slips in now ahead of Mansi Negi. That psychological advantage that she wants to take. Reshma Patel, the 2 experienced girls right in front. His event is called up by the marksman. Still 6 of them. This is. The men will now catch up with the women. And obviously so, because they are the faster of the 2. The leaders of the pack continue to remain the same. Reshma Patel and Mansi Negi. Following behind is Anjali Kumar. They're there at the past the 200-meter mark. Reshma Patel, Mansi Negi, Nikita Lamba, the first 3. Gayatri Chaudhary. It continues to remain 6 in the women. 3 in the front, 3 at the back. The men continue to have the same. Chatter there. Yes, love that chatter. 40 for the women. They've lapped 10 times, which means they've lapped 4,000 meters of the 20,000 meters. This event now into the 19th odd minute of the competition. The aristocracy of the day began. Back to the men now. And back to the women. Our cameras will keep on alternating between the men and the women. The women race walking first appeared in the Olympic Games in 1904, so it's been there for 120 years at the Olympic Games. With a half mile that was part of the 10 events all-round championships, an early forerunner of the decathlon. That's 1904 at the Olympic Games. Mansi Negi in 1. Reshma Patel in 2. Pramila Sajanwar in 5. We got 5 of them. Nikita Lamba in 3. And Rachna of Haryana in 4. So that's what the leaders packs are. We'll let you know how many laps the women have. So 38 for the women. Or approximately 23 minutes out here onto the back straight. This is the lead pack, the men and the women. The lead men have 39. 39 for the men. Back to the women now. Continues to remain the same. Negi, Patel, Lamba, Rachna, and Sajanwar. We'll also talk of some of the penalties that can accrue to these walkers. The 20-kilometer walk has been a men's Olympic event since 1956, and the women's event was introduced in 2000 in Sydney. Women's race walking first appeared in the Olympic Games in 1992 over the 10-kilometer distance, and historically the Chinese have dominated this event, winning 4 out of the 6 men's medals at the 2012 and 2016 Olympics. Back to the women. Lead changing now slightly. Nikita Lamba takes over. But this is going to be momentary. They've got a long way to go. Who will crack? Whether you call it the 20-kilometer walk because that's outside the stadium on a loop. This is the 20,000 meters, 50 laps. And as I said, it requires a huge amount of skill, determination and endurance. As with any athletic discipline, setting a world record is a massive undertaking. The first women's 20-kilometer walk world record was set by the Czechoslovakian athlete Antoni Briskova in September 1931. An athlete Anton Odorkoka shaved almost 10 minutes of the time by clocking 2 hours, 14 minutes, 07 seconds. The lead pack, men and women together now. So 36 laps for the women. For the men, Lamba. She's representing Rajasthan. Back to the leader in the women, Reshma Patel. The other important aspect for new race walkers is increase your overall strength and fitness with other exercises. Continue to enjoy a healthy and a balanced diet and understand with plenty of benefits. I keep on mentioning increased cardiovascular fitness. It increases your muscle strength. And he's got 17 to go. Along with him is Pilot Singh. The number 3, Rachna from Haryana leader in the women. Yes, all of them will now need all of those water bottles out there to refresh themselves, cool themselves. We got a red coming up again there as one of them walks away. 18 for number 2. That's Nikita Lamba. The leader continues to be 4. Is 1 hour 27 minutes 14 seconds. The meet record. We're now into 1 hour and is simple 4,000 and divide that by 2, which is 2,000. So they've got long way. I can assure you that. And now she's been absolutely cool. Reshma Patel, Uttar Pradesh. They started off with the lights. Goes through a city, the loops. Sachin Bora, that's the leader in the women's. She continues to dominate. So 7 for the 2 of them. Well, I'll tell you, the finish is going to be fascinating. Continue to stay with us on our live telecast out here. Right from the time it started, we had her, we had Reshma Patel, we had Rachna, and we had Mansi. The 4 of them, Mansi dropped out. And then after that, this girl has been in her own zone, taking over from the others. Must compliment this girl, Reshma Patel, for some fascinating walking out here this morning. So 9 laps for Reshma Patel, bib number 734. 7 laps to go.
तो कहते हैं हम इतने ज़्यादा लेवल में तो खेल नहीं, लेकिन इतना है कि हम आने वाले समय में अपने इंडिया से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे ओलंपिक लेवल पर। हमारा वहाँ जाना ही मकसद नहीं रहेगा, वहाँ पर अपने देश के लिए मेडल लाना मकसद रहेगा। और हम ऐसे लगातार निरंतर कोशिश करते रहेंगे और अपना खेल को, अपना जीवन मतलब त्याग कर चुके हैं हम अपने।
Well said. Well said. He just mentioned that the days are gone. You know, earlier people would say, I only want to go and participate in the Olympic Games. Today, as he says, the youngsters are saying, participation ab khatam ho gaya. We want to go and win medals.
Yes, sir. Like me also, I want to get a medal at the Olympic, and I want to, I want to represent India also. Sure. Wonderful. And last, I want to appreciate my coach mentor, Manglemba, and Manipur coach, and Herojit sir, Pari sir, and Ganapati sir, Jitu sir, all those sir.
Well, there he is. We'll get him very quickly. Basant, if you can come in. Well, we won't spare him out here. Basant, I'm sure, you went to sleep yesterday. Not. Oh, wonderful, wonderful. You can't have better joy than that. Tell me, what is it in these 3 boys that have got them to 1, 2, and 3?
Actually, yeah, sure. Actually, we prepare for this competition. That's why we skip that open national because they are below under 23. Yeah, we prepare for this. That's why it's get success. So hopefully, they will do better in future and as well as senior national or international competition.
Basant Rana comes from the wonderful country Nepal, but he's now a part of the Indian Army. Out here, he's from the famous Gurkha regiment. I was having a chat with him the other day. He's one of the senior coaches of the ASI. But more important for you, he's wearing that cap which everyone can't wear. That's the cap which you can only wear if you've represented India. That cap, you must be saying, should go to these two one day.
Exactly, sir. Yes, sir. They will definitely wear that cap.
Finishing their event, this girl in the women's section, Reshma Patel from Uttar Pradesh, has gone on to win, and she's now relaxing. Of course, I think she was talking to her parents at home. किससे बात कर रही थी आप अभी थोड़ी देर पहले?
सर मैं अपने भाई से बात कर रही थी, इंद्रजीत पटेल इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर भी है, वो भी 1GC है। मैं अपने भैया को बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ। मेरे भैया ने मेरे को घर से बाहर निकाला। मैं बहुत ही धन्यवाद अपने भैया को करना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि हमें बाहर निकाला, बहुत सपोर्ट किया। क्योंकि मैं 1.5 साल इंजरी में बैठी, मैंने सोचा अब नहीं होगा। मेरे भैया ने बहुत मोटिवेट किया हमारे लिए कि नहीं तुम कर सकती हो, अभी तुम्हारे लिए कुछ नहीं है, ये तुम बहुत अच्छी हो, अच्छी कर सकते हो। तुम्हें ओलंपिक तक का पहुंचाने के मेरे भाई का एक ही सपना है, मैं ओलंपिक तक का पहुंचूं अपने भाई का।
जब वो कहती है कि मुझे घर से बाहर निकाला, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि घर से बाहर निकाल दिया। घर से बाहर निकाल दिया का मतलब होता है कि आप बाहर जाओ, आप कुछ करो अपने लिए, अपनी फैमिली के लिए, अपनी सोसाइटी के लिए, अपनी स्टेट के लिए, अपने देश के लिए। इसका मतलब है घर से बाहर निकाला, नहीं तो उसका मतलब और कुछ निकल सकता है। शुरुआत जब हुई तो आप 4 या 5 एक साथ में थे। आप थी, लांबा थी, मानसी नेगी थी जो काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस है। कहाँ पर आपको लगा कि मैं अब इनको छोड़ के आगे चली जाऊँ?
सर हमें लगा जो हमने वर्कआउट कर रखा वही हिसाब से हमारा पेस नहीं जा सकता था, उस हिसाब से हमने वो सोचा हमारे रेंज का अभी कोई है नहीं, तो हमने सोचा अपना फास्ट करूँ, पेस पे ठीक ठाक लाऊँ। मैंने बस अपनी टाइम इन्वेस्ट करने की कोशिश की हूँ।
आप कहाँ पर एम्प्लॉयड है?
सर मैं उत्तराखंड।
और उत्तराखंड में आपको ऐसे क्या मिलता है? हालांकि यहाँ पर आपने उत्तराखंड को नहीं रिप्रेजेंट किया था, उत्तर प्रदेश को रिप्रेजेंट किया था, है ना? तो उत्तर प्रदेश में आप क्या करती हैं?
सर मैं उत्तर प्रदेश में यूपी पुलिस में जॉब करती हूँ। सर मैं अभी प्रमोशन लेके अपने भाई के पास चले गए उत्तराखंड में वर्कआउट करने के लिए।
तो वहाँ की मिट्टी में क्या है? उत्तराखंड की मिट्टी में ऐसी क्या चीज़ है कि वहाँ से सारे अच्छे एथलीट थे? आप अगर आप देखेंगे सुरेंद्र सिंह जो 5,000 और 10,000 दौड़ता है, मैराथन हमारे जो रनर्स हैं वहाँ से आते हैं, लड़कियाँ वहाँ से आप आती हैं जो अच्छा करती हैं। तो वहाँ क्या वहाँ के हवा में क्या चीज़ है कि आप इतना अच्छे करती हैं?
सर उत्तराखंड बहुत ही अच्छा जगह है, बहुत ही, मैं तो उत्तराखंड को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ सर। पर उत्तराखंड मुझे बहुत पसंद है। मैं वहीं से भाई अभी जो भी इतना रिकॉर्ड से बनाई जूनियर नेशनल में, मैं उत्तराखंड से वहाँ से किया।
ये बताओ कि आपकी हाइट इतनी लंबी नहीं है, आप छोटी कद की हैं, आपने वॉकिंग क्यों अपनाया? कोई रनिंग इवेंट जैसे 100 मीटर या 200 मीटर या कोई इवेंट क्यों नहीं अपनाया?
सर मैं 3 महीना फिर सर इंजरी में फिर बैठी थी। सर मुझे लगा प्रगति नहीं हो पाएगी। मेरी बहन है रोजी पटेल, उसने ने बोला सर अनूप सर विस्ट है, हमारे सर भी है। पहले मैंने उनके पास किया, अभी सर हमारे प्रमोशन हो गए, चले गए। तो फिर मैं अपने भाई के पास आ गई, इंद्रजीत पटेल के पास। तो मेरी बहन ने बोला नहीं तू अब वॉकिंग कर ले, तो वॉकिंग अच्छा कर लेगी। फिर भैया ने भी बोला कर लो वॉकिंग, तो भैया लोग सब लोग ने सपोर्ट किया, बहन, मेरी बहन, भाई सब लोग सपोर्ट किए।
भारत की जो आपके इवेंट में जो रिकॉर्ड है वो प्रियंका के नाम पे है। कभी मिली है उससे, उनसे बात की है और उन्होंने क्या बताया आपको अगर मिली है तो?
सर प्रियंका दीदी से तो सर मिली बात कुछ हुई नहीं है सर, बस यही बोलते हैं अच्छा करो, आगे भी चल के अच्छा खाओ, अच्छा पहनो, अच्छा करो।
ये हमारा जो टेलीकास्ट है वो लाइव जा रहा है, शायद आपके घर के लोग देख रहे होंगे या बाद में इसकी जो रिपीट टेलीकास्ट होती है वो आप देख सकेंगे। हमारी जो श्रोता है, जो बच्चे हैं, आप भी तो बच्ची है, लेकिन हमारे बच्चों को आप क्या बताना चाहेंगी?
सर बच्चों को तो हम यही बोलेंगे वर्कआउट पूरा करो, चाहे बल भी स्लो करो। मतलब कोचों से कभी झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए, कभी कट नहीं मारना चाहिए। नहीं हो रहा तो उससे पहले बोल दो हाँ नहीं हो पाएगा, तो कोच कुछ और ही अलग वर्कआउट कराएगा। ये नहीं हाँ आज नहीं हो पाएगा तो रेस्ट करेंगे, उससे थोड़ा स्लो हो जाएगा। बोला कट मत मारो, कोचों से कभी झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए, कभी करना है तो पूरा करो, नहीं करना है तो रहना दो। मैं तो यही बच्चों से कहूँगी, कभी वर्कआउट नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए।
और एथलेटिक फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडिया ये जो सारे रेसेस आयोजन करता है, उनसे आपको कितना लाभ मिलता है?
सर हमें एफआई से बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहते हो। हमने एफआई वाले ने हमें बहुत सपोर्ट किया, बहुत ही ज़्यादा।
Well, there you are. हम इतना ही कहेंगे कि आज की ये जो जीत है वो एक वन ऑफ जीत पक्की नहीं होगी। रेशमा के लिए शायद शुरुआत होगी, यहाँ से इंजरी से बाहर आ गई है और हम यही दुआ करते हैं कि इंजरी उसको कभी ना हो, हमारे एथलीट्स को इंजरीज कभी ना हो, एंड शी गोज ऑन टू रिप्रेजेंट इंडिया and obviously do well, perhaps look at much higher pedestal than what we are looking at out here. We'll continue with our live action because right now the stage is being set for some other events coming up, but also the fact that the 20,000 meter walk is still not over. मैं एक आखिरी सवाल पूछूंगा कि आपकी एक सहेली वहाँ पर अभी भी चल रही है, करीबन आपके ख़त्म होने के 20 मिनट के बाद में। क्या आप में है कि आपने ये हंसी कैसे आपसे आती है?
सर मैं हमेशा खुश रहती हूँ, चाहे वर्कआउट अच्छा हुआ या नहीं हुआ, कंपटीशन अच्छा हुआ या नहीं हुआ। सर मैं हमेशा हंसती रहती हूँ सर, मुझे इतना वो टेंशन नहीं लेने देती हो सर, इसलिए सर मैं हैप्पी रहती हूँ।
Wonderful. What a way to end this chat with Reshma Patel out here. She says, keep on smiling. It doesn't matter at the end of the day whether you win or lose. Winning, of course, will become a habit with her. Live action continues here on our channel from Patna.